free falling for the chord hand. We have our D chord, which, to remind you, looks like this. And so you're going to take your middle finger and put it in the 2nd fret on this bottom string. Walk your index finger in the same fret area, the 2nd fret here, but just like 1, 2 strings up. And on the string in between those two, you're going to put your ring finger here on the 3rd fret. And if you strum the bottom 4 strings, you'll get a nice clear D chord. The D sus is very similar to that, except now you can put your pinky down here underneath your ring finger to get that kind of sound. It's called the D sus. So you have D, D sus, and then you need your A chord. So the A chord can be played 2 different ways. Here's one way. With your pinky on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string, so go from the bottom string, up 1 string there, and then vertically go in the same fret. You're going to play like 1 finger at a time, go up, so it looks like this. Now, some people like to use different fingering, which means to take your ring finger and put that on the 2nd string here, then 1 finger up for each, so now you're not using your pinky. So that's your A chord. So we have D, D sus, A. So this is what it looks like playing that song on a chording hand. Or simpler put, that's free falling.